going in. Sit here and look unemployed.
How do you do that?
Just put your head in your hands and mumble about bills. Hello. My son isn't working right now, and I was wondering if he's eligible for unemployment.
Okay. How long has he been out of work for?
Well, he isn't working this week.
So, he's working next week?
Nathan, you doing a show next week?
I should be, yeah.
You should be, yeah.
Show. He's a musician.
No, comedian. He's been on... Nathan, what's that show you're on? Tomorrow? Today? Tonight. The Tonight one. Couldn't remember.
Oh, that's something. I thought once you were on one of those shows, you wouldn't need unemployment.
I don't.
We're just saying. So, is he eligible?
Does he work for a company?
Nathan, do you work for a company? Like Laugh Inc. or something?
I'm basically an independent contractor.
He's basically an independent contractor.
Okay, well, how much money did he make last year?
Nathan, how much money did you make last year?
Do you need me to come over there?
I don't know, I gotta figure it out. Just how much money did you make?
I don't know, like 80 grand.
What? You know I can't hear out of my left ear.
Like 80 grand.
80 grand?
Yeah.
You made $80,000. And you're living in my house?
$80,000. But I've never even seen him.
Where'd it go?
What do you mean, where to go? I live and work in New
You
York.
could have bought a house in Moncton. Why didn't you do that?
You told me today you can't even get a house in Moncton for $8 million.
What? 80,000. Can you imagine?
Can I imagine 80,000? No, I work in an unemployment office.
Do you even need unemployment?
For the 100th time, no.
You never told me you made $80,000.
80,000? As a comedian?
I get on stage for 80,000. Knock, knock. Who's there?
Money.
They told us to get a trade. They never told us to get some jokes.
Yeah, I was told to be a teacher.
Teacher? Teachers make 20 grand. Driving around town in a little shitbox, getting yelled at by kids.
Are you sure you're not the comedian?
Couldn't be. I only made $25,000 last year.
I'm gonna wait outside.
80 grand.